And a local initiative is looking to bridge the gap between mental health and primary care. News 12 New Jersey's Naomi Yanni live tonight with those details for us. Naomi?
Kurt Salerno Medical Associates hopes to fight New Jersey's mental health crisis through coordinated primary and mental health care services and by bringing those services directly to patients in trusted spaces. 60% of adults in New Jersey have an untreated mental illness.
COVID really kind of tore the Band-Aid off on mental health in our country and really exposed and further exacerbated these numbers.
Dr. Alexander Salerno of Salerno Medical Associates launched the Community Health Care Outreach Program, an approach that takes primary care services into behavioral health facilities.
The system is kind of fragmented right now, especially when it comes to the mental health patient coming to the primary care doctor's office and probably given a handful of scripts, and then that patient is left to try to navigate without the proper tools.
Dr. Salerno says that's not the only reason so many cases of mental illness go unnoticed or untreated.
There's clearly a shortage, not just of primary care, but mental health in our country when it comes to physicians and providers. Depending on the culture, it's a bit of a taboo topic to talk about mental health.
According to the National Association of State Mental Health Program Directors, people with mental illness on average die 25 years earlier than the general population. And 3 out of 5 with serious mental health illness die due to a preventable health condition.
A lot of times the medications they use to treat behavioral health disorders leads to obesity, diabetes, increased cardiovascular risk. We can find these conditions and diagnose these conditions and treat these conditions simply because we're integrated in these safe haven sites that patients go to.
SMA hopes to fight medical mistrust for people who need care but might not feel comfortable at a traditional doctor's office or hospital. And Dr. Salerno and his team have integrated at Newark Beth Israel. They've also integrated at Essex County Medical at a behavioral health outpatient center in East Orange. Kurt, I'll send it back inside to you.
Naomi Yanni live tonight. Thank you, Naomi.